All right, folks. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I don't know your time in your country. It's still a morning, so that's why I'm saying good morning. Well, I just want to take us through Hello World in Java. Well, this is the beginning of my recording. This is the beginning of my Java course, and we shall be doing a lot with Java starting from now and forth. And in this first video, what I just want us to do is look at how to write a Java program the hard way, that is without using any IDE, without using any text editor. So in this case, we're going to start with Notepad in Windows operating system. I don't know if you are on maybe say Mac or any other machine, you can also try the text editors there, but here I'm going to do Notepad, and after Notepad we shall also try it on NetBeans and see the difference. It's okay, enough of the talk, let's just begin it and see. Yeah, here I've opened up my Notepad. If you don't have Notepad, I'm sure each and every Windows operating system have Notepad, so I'm not going to say much. I'm just going to increase the size a little. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a class. Like every Java program, you must create a class for it. And my class, I'm going to give it a name, say hello, and we shall just do a basic Java program which only prints hello world to the screen. Okay, let's try it and see. And yes, for you to create a class in Java, you need to put in the visibility. This ones we shall discuss it later during the course, but in the meantime, let's just take up that. So the next thing is the keyword class, and then after the class keyword, you put in the class name. In the class name, in this case, mine is going to be hello, and after that I open a curly brace. Then I'm going to close it immediately because I don't want to forget. So I'll put an enter key and maybe say some tab there. I want to indent it a little, and every Java program starts its execution, starts its running from a method called main. Just if maybe you have done C or you have interacted with C before, you know that each and every execution in C programming starts from a main method. And also in Java it happens the same way. So let's just create our main method called the visibility public. It's static because we are running it in a static context, and it's void because it's not going to return for us anything, any input, any output, I mean. Then the name main, open the parenthesis, then we put in, it takes in an argument, the string arrays. So we have string there. This is the syntax for an array, and that is a parameter age, and that's all. I'm gonna again do that enter and indent it a little. Okay, there we go. So this is a class in Java system. You'll learn about that later. Inside that system there's a method called, there's another inner class called out. Then it has this method, that stream has a method called println. There's so many other methods there, but this is basically what you will do, hello world, and that's all. So when we run our program, we should see hello world on the screen. Don't forget to terminate each and every statement in Java, and that's all that is to it. So I'm going to save my file. You must save it with the same name. I'm going to save it on desktop. I'm giving it a name called hello because my class is hello, as you can see it from here. You see here. Okay, sorry about that. And it should have all files extension, and then for that I'm going to just put it a .java. That is it. So when I save, and that's all. Now the next thing we need to do, we go and open a command prompt on Windows. So you just type CMD and I press enter, it will open for you. And just to be sure, check if Java is installed. Java version, mine is installed, it's running Java 18. I don't know your version which you have installed, but mine also runs that. So for us to compile, the first thing is compiling a Java program. After compiling it, you run it. So the command for compiling is javac, Java with C. So javac, that is for compiling. So you give that command javac, then space, and the next thing is the file that you want to compile, which is hello.java for us in this case. After running this command, if there is no error, it will create for us a .class extension file with the same name of this file, hello. So we shall have hello dot, we need to go where we have saved it. I've saved mine in desktop, so let me first navigate to desktop with cd or change directory desktop. Now if I list here, I'll should be able to find hello here. You see it's here. Okay, that's good. And now I can be able to run this. So now I'm going to compile it, say javac hello.java, and okay, it has compiled successfully. So if we again check, we should have another second file with a .class extension, which is this one here. It has the same name as this, and basically, oh, sorry about that. Okay, so this is what we have. Sorry about that, shouldn't have done that. All right. Excuse me. All right, the next thing we're going to do now is run our program. So the command for running is java, then space, the name of the file, which is hello in this case, and that's it for now. So voila, here we have. So this is our program, hello. Yes. Okay, great. That's all, folks, about today. That's how you create your first program in Java. You just give it the file name, and after the file name, you just put it inside a main method, which takes in an array argument, and that is a command input. It gets it from the input, and you'll learn about that later. But now this is all about it. Yes, I wanted us to also look at, but now this video is taking so long. In the next video, maybe I'll create another video where you'll write this same program but in NetBeans, or maybe say VS Code or any other text editor or IDE that you need. Thank you for now. Have a good day.